Hi, my name is Charlie Hollis. I'm a senior here at Gulf Shores High School, and today we're out here with Dune Doctors, and we're doing planting for protection. We're working with about each 4 to 5 fifth graders from the Gulf Shores Elementary School today, and we're planting sea oats that are going to be starter dunes, and one day they're going to end up being these huge dunes that you see out here that we're working next to today, and something really special is going on today.
Hi, my name is Corey Powell. I work here at the Gulf State Park as a naturalist. Today I was teaching a class. I was doing a program on what kind of animals we have here in the dune systems. We have a lot of diversity in the dune systems, and it's super awesome to have these kids out here planting these plants because that definitely does benefit these animals that call these dunes home.
Planting for Protection is Dune Doctors' educational initiative. We have found that the best way to empower the younger generation in becoming coastal stewards is to have high schoolers be the mentors of a younger group of children. It gives the high schoolers a chance to educate the next generation of coastal stewards.
My name is Mia Jones. Being a coastal steward to me means serving the environment that works to help us. And being a coastal steward means that it's our duty to teach younger children and to teach other people that we need to give back.
It was fun to learn about all the different plants and how much just plants can do.
I wanted to thank you everybody from Dune Doctors for all the help of all the students and everybody that participated today in planting so many plants to help build that coastal protection and the next generation of coastal stewards.
And I want to thank you from Gulf State Park. Thank you Dune Doctors and the City of Gulf Shores Schools for being able to come out and help us to put these trees and plants into the ground and just develop these new dune lines right along our coast. We really appreciate it, and the wildlife that it's going to help protect is very thankful.
I'd like to thank our students and teachers who took time out of their day and were so flexible to get this hands-on experience out in our environment to improve where we live and continue to have this beautiful place around us. Thank you.